Some people got funds, some people ain't got funds. Some people blow up today, some it takes years, man. You know, with funds you can go a long way. You can pay for a feature, PR, radio sampling, then boom, if your song is decent, blow up, yo. You know what I mean? Some people are still in the streets, takes years, still recording in somebody's bedroom, you know what I mean? Which is really dope, man, because it's a journey. You have a story to tell, you know what I mean? Also, the content is gonna be doper, man. Especially when you're going through some bullshit, which you can't start by winning. You gotta lose, man. You gotta know how it feels. You know what I mean? You gotta know how it feels. You gotta prepare yourself. You gotta prepare your mind. You know, you can't just pull up and win. Just imagine you've been winning for I don't know how many years, and then you start losing. That's how people get addicted to weird things. Niggas start getting crazy, depression and shit, man. Because you don't know life. You haven't prepared. You know what I mean? You were treated like a king from the jump. You know what I mean? You can't be a king from the jump, yo. You gotta fight for that position, man. It's like a pride of lions when the male lion is getting older. The king says, "Yo, you gotta bounce right now," because he sees his sons as competition. You know what I mean? Next thing, the sons are gonna wanna mate with the woman in the pride. You know, so they gotta go out there and go build their own kingdoms. You know what I mean? That's how that's how you gain knowledge, man. That's how you gain. You also get content at the end of the day. You know, you a 14-year old rapper. Next thing, you blow up. Your friends get older. You are 18 right now. The content it shouldn't be the same as when you were 14, man. It's doper when you grow with your friends, but now if you've been up there and everybody's treating you like a king, you don't know life because you're full of yes men's in your circle. You know what I mean? And it happens. You know, niggas dig right every time, bitches dig right every time. You know what I mean? Then there's OGs telling you how to sound. Yo, you don't sound South African. You know what I mean? Are you rapping in English? But that's a form of communication. You know what I mean? Like that's how you feel comfortable in communicating your whatever shit you wanna communicate. And the OGs, not all of them though. Oh, some OGs are genuine, some OGs are not genuine. You know what I mean? His form of communication is also English, like telling you you don't sound South African, but his form of communication is English also. You know what I mean? Which is like it's so fucking weird. You know what I mean? I mean the grind is not that easy, man. You know, like some people just are lucky, some people are not lucky. You know what I mean? Like there's a lot of gimmicks. Like SA likes pushing gimmicks. Kapaya. You know what I mean? And SA rappers, ababaya, they don't create, man. They wait for trends to pull up and then jump on each and every fucking trend. You know what I mean? Like of last year, man. How many songs had Amapiano? 2 years ago, how many songs had Itom? You know what I mean? They don't create, man. They are not about that life. You know what I mean? On some, you see a homie on some dog. That's your sound, my nigga. That's you. You fucking created that shit. That's you. That's fucking dope. Nah, they just wanna jump on trends. Hence, the biggest song last year, which the biggest hip hop song was Big Zulu song. It had no mapiano. It was just a song, my nigga. You know, it's a dope song. You don't need to jump on people's trends or jump on trends to fucking have a number one. You know what I mean? Just be true with yourself and make music, dog. Make music. Don't be like jumping on trends. It really doesn't make sense, man. And also, it fucks up the content because now you are mixing. You can mix shit together, dog. You know, but it's really dope when people create, man. On some, oh shit, did you hear that shit, my nigga? Not like, oh shit, like that shit sounds like, and that, and you know what I mean? That's fucking weird, man. That's my